Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is IBridgePy@gmail.com. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download IBridgePy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about download the latest version of IBridgePy. First, I'm going to reproduce the error message. Then I will explain how to find out the latest version at the website of IBridgePy.com. Then know the expected next release date so you are prepared for the next release. Then I will show how to download latest version by remove local copy and then download and unzip from ibridgepy.com/download. Then if you are interested in waiving the monthly update, I'm going to talk about IBridgePy Premium feature. So first, let's switch to Spider with IB gateway open. So first, let's run any code. This one is just a show position. So you can see right now the error message says error code 937 error message. Please download the latest version of IBridgePy at ibridgepy.com. And one of the important things you need to look is the current IBridgePy version is 8.1.5. When you receive this message, you can go to the ibridgepy.com and then click download. Then go to user login. So after login, you can scroll down to page here. So the most recent IBridgePy version is 8.1.6. And in the local, I'm using 8.1.5. That's why IBridgePy stopped and asked you to download the latest version of IBridgePy. And then I want to mention is because users are prompted to regularly update IBridgePy, have the newly developed features and fewer bugs. So the scheduled next release date is labeled here, which is May 11th, 2020. So around that date, you will be prompted to download the latest IBridgePy version. To download IBridgePy version is pretty simple. Actually, what you need to do is, if you are having a spider, what you need to do is restart the kernel, click yes, and close this file, and then you can delete. I have IBridgePy folder on my desktop, so you need to delete it. If you are a Windows user and you want to delete IBridgePy folder while it's open in a Spider, you may see this issue. When you want to click, it won't delete it. So the solution is you can close Spider and then try it again. Still won't work. Okay, works. Maybe it takes a while. And this is the previously download and zip file. Delete this one. Then what you need to do is go to IBridgePy and download what you need. I'm using Windows 3.7 64-bit, so I click this one, save as, and save it at desktop. Just save. Should be pretty quick. Yeah, it's done. And then go to the folder, extract all, and click yes, extract. Then you can see IBridgePy folder is unzipped on my desktop already. Then what I need to do is open Spider. And go to desktop, open runme.py. And then click run it again. And then there's no error message anymore. And you can see right now, the current IBridgePy version is 8.1.6 right now. So we have explained to remove local copy, download, and unzip from ibridgepy.com/download. However, if you are interested in waiving the monthly update, you can go to about IBridgePy and go to features of IBridgePy. So we have different versions IBridgePy for different users. Right now, IBridgePy community version is free. However, monthly update is needed to get all new features. That's why you are required to update every 2 weeks. If you want to waive monthly update, you can choose IBridgePy Premium version or IBridgePy Backtester version or IBridgePy for multiple account version. So monthly updates is waived for IBridgePy Premium version. Also, you can have extra features, which is get contract details, get scanner result, and get option Greeks. Get contract details, you can use this premium function to obtain option chains and other contract informations. If you are TWS user, you may be aware of native stock scanner in TWS, and IBridgePy support that scanner feature by the method of get scanner results. If you are an option trader and you are interested in Greeks of options, IBridgePy Premium feature have a function to get option Greeks. For IBridgePy Backtester features, other than the premium features, you will have unlimited backtester because in the IBridgePy free community version, backtester supports test US equities only. If you are interested in managing multiple IB accounts, there is a version is IBridgePy for multiple account, which is designed for fund managers to manage multiple IBridgePy accounts. And if you are interested in that, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com to ask for more information. We will give you a quote. Actually, all IBridgePy products are free for qualified educators. If you are a qualified educator and you want to a free IBridgePy, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.